Hey everybody, Circle K coffee right here. This is some good stuff. It's been a couple days since I got Circle K coffee. I've been stuck on that Pilot. I live closer there to the Pilot. But here we go. We got this Circle K coffee. We still driving. We got the truck all prepped up and ready for winter. All we got to do is just attach that plow. And this is some good coffee. Holy cow. Let me set my coffee right there for half a minute so I can open the door and get in the truck. Here we go. Circle K coffee and me. The pro you need to know, Circle K coffee. I gotta adjust my light bar in the back real quick. That absolutely makes me crazy. The light bar is not correct. In a case of emergency, the light bar wouldn't be correct. Well, now you can kind of see it's correct. That's my multi-function LED light for plowing right there behind me. Man, this coffee's good. Wow. I hear Sarasota Tim's gonna go four-wheeling. I don't know if he's ever went four-wheeling before. I don't know if I'd want to go four-wheeling with a truck that's only got like probably 2,000 miles on it. I don't even know if it's got 2,000 miles on it. He said he's gonna go four-wheeling. I don't know why you'd do that. I guess each his own. Wow. This coffee is really, I'm not even gonna kid you, it's really hot. Man, it's hot. Here's the K, Circle K coffee. See, people in other areas, they have a lot of these Circle Ks. Me here, we only got a couple, 2 of them, as a matter of fact. I don't know where everybody else is all planted in the United States or the world, but we're about to get hit with some snow here in the north. And they're saying, I don't know, 6 to 8 inches. I don't think that we'll be getting hit that bad, but we'll see when it comes. They said it's going to start right around Thursday or Friday. I got to get the car put in the garage. We got some things to move around the garage. What a job that's gonna be. I'm just doing this stuff by myself. I'm a soul survivor. Blessed soul survivor is what I would say. I do pretty much everything by myself. There's never no good help. Every now and then I help people, but I can't get them same people in return. And if I do, I feel I owe them more than they owe me. So, I don't know, is what it is. I got a stack of people that owe me. Hopefully, I can get my credits back to the people that I've helped. I'm not even kidding. You guys know who you are. They're on my channel. They're friends and colleagues. The pro you need to know. Please like and subscribe, as my channel is small. But I am going to try to come up with some good videos, DIY and mechanical. I'm very mechanical. I can't wait to get some plowing on there for you so you can see our snow in the north. I mean, I'm sure some of you live in the north and you know exactly what I'm talking about, but that's about it. I mean, the snow is coming. I'm not counting on it because I don't like to plow that much. Let me tell you, it's kind of like more than it's worth, kind of, because some people get a little crazed with this stuff. When it's like 2 inches, they want you to plow it, and it really ain't 2 inches. So I don't know. Can't wait. Right now it's starting to like rain pretty good. I got that other roof repair that I'm trying to figure out what product to put on that. I haven't had no input, not real input, but I haven't figured out the product to put on that in the temperatures that we're riding at. So I don't know. Oh boy. Circle K Coffee and me and you. Hope you guys enjoy the videos and my content as I try to do my best. It's really fun and amazing, some of the stuff that you see, and some of the stuff you have to go through to do the video editing. I mean, some of these ones that are like multiples and so on and so forth, they take hours to make. So I mean, hopefully you guys like it. I'm just trying to create good video content. Tell me what you think. Please like and subscribe, as I will do the same back as I see and like and share other content. That's what I do. Until next time, the pro you need to know, and have a blessed holiday.